In today's video, I will represent to you a new method on how you can earn money really fast and quickly with this method. In fact, this website, guys, that I will represent to you today that you probably have never heard before, it's completely for free and you can use it in 3 different devices that I will tell you later on. Now, what you will have to do is to make sure you have a good and a strong internet connection and start doing the job perfectly. Now, guys, this is worldwide available, which means that you don't have to worry in which part of the world you're living right now because it's worldwide. And also, as I told you, it's completely for free. So you will earn profits from this website by using it, and I will let you know all of the tricks and bonus that you should know in order to make more money for yourself. Now, grab the laptop and listen carefully to every word that I'm going to say, so in the end, you will be capable of doing this by yourself. Now, before I show you even more, first I would like to ask you guys to subscribe to my YouTube channel, but also turn on the notification bell, so in this way you will never lose any new update from me. Now, let me represent to you the website, which is called Paid Work. Now, Paid Work, guys, is a worldwide website that everyone can come and do different jobs and get paid. This is what it is, and it's completely for free, so no investment will be required from you. But the best part hasn't come yet, because Paid Work comes in 3 different devices that can be used on the phone, computer, or tablet. So you can get paid wherever you are without investment, and as I told you, it's completely for free. You can check out over here that they have the version on Google Play, but also they have the version on App Store. So as you can see, guys, Paid Work is such an amazing part-time job that you can do when you are free and get paid a lot of. You can check out here by yourself too all of the reviews and everything that people have said about it. But I want to concentrate on how you are going to earn money by using this, or let's say what you can do on here to get paid. So guys, you're going to turn your time into profits with this website. The flexible solution is a full-time or additional job for all people from every country. As I told you, it's worldwide available. You can earn money on any device like computer, tablet, or your phone. How it works? Everything under control. You can choose how you want to earn money. You have different ways that we are going to discuss them together. You're going to collect your profits by following simple instructions. In just a month, you can earn up to $150. Now, guys, I know this doesn't look like the biggest number that you probably have seen, but trust me when I say that you are going to do this for free and you are not going to get tired, so it's money for good. Click on the registration button over here and create an account to start earning. You can sign up with Google or sign up with Microsoft. You can decide for one of these and you can do it with one click, or you can register with an email address. Just put the email, password, and click on next step. Now this is how everything will look as soon as you open. Here is your dashboard in which you are going to keep a track of all of your earnings. Now guys, I will totally recommend to you to verify your email because you are going to get all of the notification necessary every time you earn money. Here at the earn section, you can have a look on the ways that you can earn money. Now guys, you need 100 points in order to redeem those points in $1. Now, even though it might look like a lot of points, it's not, because other websites will require you to collect at least 5,000 points to give you $1, while here you only need 100 points. Now, you can earn those points by playing games, which is something that most of the people enjoy doing it, right? Now you have some different, let's say, sites that you have to go there and play the games, and you're going to earn money. You also have these fill out surveys, which I will totally recommend to you. Just go over to all of these sites that they require so you can fill out the surveys and get paid. Now you can watch videos, which I will totally recommend to you and tell you how to connect it with other sites. Now, despite the sites that is going to be shown up to you, you can also connect this with YouTube. Open a long video and do this stuff. So first, redeem the quality so you are not going to waste your, let's say, internet connection. And secondly, put the playback speed E2. So in this way, it's going to get faster and finish faster so you can watch other videos as well. Now guys, go over to GPT Planet, and for each ad that you are going to watch, you are going to receive a money. So as you can see, this is pretty simple. You also have some micro tasks that still hasn't become yet one of their tasks, so you can wait for that a little bit more. Now, as you saw by yourself, they have like a lot of things over here. Something that I will totally recommend to you despite playing games, filling out surveys, watching videos, online shopping, and things like this, which you're probably going to enjoy because these are things we normally do in our everyday life and get paid. While not stopping doing this for free when you can do it for money. So guys, if you go over to the referral program, you're going to see this link over here that you can copy the link and share it. Now for each person that is going to click on this link, and if the person makes their first payout, you will both get $10 for free. So what you will have to do, you just have to share this referral link despite doing this other stuff to earn money. So guys, this was about paid work, which I think that it's such an amazing site that you probably need to use it. You can download it to Google Play or you can download it to the App Store. Now, another bonus website is Coinbase. For those who are crypto lovers, they're going to love this because you can earn crypto really easily. Just go over to earn up to $7 worth of crypto. Open that page and here you can get more information. How is this going to work out for you? Here you can also learn many different things. So guys, you are going to start earning a lot. How so? Because they do give you the opportunity to learn about crypto, earn about crypto, and they will give you rewards about that. Just click start earning over here and then you will have to create an account. You just have to put your first name, last name, email, password, certify that you are older than 80 years, and create the free account. What you will have to do later on is start your course for free and get paid for doing that. So guys, I would totally recommend to you combining Coinbase with paid work together, so in this way you can earn double more. Thank you guys for watching. I really hope you have enjoyed this video. If yes, then give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe and also check out other videos as well.